Hello everyone, and today in this video I'm gonna share you memory based question of SSC JE 2020 that has been conducted today. That means on the day I am recording this video. So if we first compare about this year's paper with 2019, 18 and 2017, so this paper is quite lengthy, you can say that, because generally what student attempt like 240 250 marks questions or 260 marks questions students were attending, but this year students were restricted. Many of students that I have interacted, they were they were only limited to 220 to 230 marks number of attempted. Okay, so how much they get, it only depends upon the egg paper checker. So here are some memory based questions. There were total 24 questions, but here I could only remember 18 questions out of there. And some of you might confuse that why I'm not uploading a paper, why memory based question. So let me clear you that from 2019, before 2019, the examination pattern was in mains examination. You will be providing a separate question paper and separate answer sheet. But from 2019, like UPSC, there is a combined question paper and answer sheet. You have one question, and from below that, there is a blank space for your writing your answer, and then on the next page, you have new questions. So that's why I'm uploading here memory based questions. So let us read one by one. Here I can see that first two questions are not visible properly, so I'm reading out for you. The first question, that was a steady flow energy equation. We have to write what is the steady flow energy equation general. Then we have to it is reduced and simplified with a valid assumption for compressor, turbine, pump, and nozzle. The second question was a numerical from thermodynamics with combined heat exchange, heat engine and refrigerator, in which heat engine is producing some work and it is giving to refrigerator, and refrigerator is doing its work, performing its work. And there were two conditions. One is for reversible, and second, that is the actual COP and actual efficiency is a 45% of the maximum efficiency. So we have to calculate two times, one for reversible criteria and one for actual criteria. And what we have to find, they have asked for how much heat is rejected from wait a second. Yes, okay, no problem. So what they ask is how much heat is extracted from the refrigerator and how much heat is rejected to common heat sink. Okay, so next, third question, there was one simple question regarding to isothermal process numerical. We have to find work done, change in an internal energy, and heat transfer. Next question was a theory of, we have to write down the theory of separating throttling calorimeter with Neat's gauge. Fifth question was there was a derivation of minimum number of teeth required on pinion to avoid interference. You have to derive it with neat sketch. The sixth question was theory on basic chem and follow terminologies. We have to first draw the basic figure, and we have to define the terminologies like base circle, pitch circle, what is the prime circle, what is the pitch curve, and what is pressure angle, what is pitch point. All these terminologies. Seventh question was a numerical on Porter governor. Actually, I cannot remember the whole data, so I have written only a numerical on Porter governor. Eighth question was autocycle numerical. That means a numerical based on autocycle. Next question was there was a derivation of maximum efficiency for the Pelton wheel turbine. That is 1 plus k beta by k cos beta by 2 that we have to derive. So next question was construction and working of reciprocating compressor. This question might affect many of our students because we have to draw the first reciprocating compressor, then it's the indicator diagram, just simple indicator diagram. Then we have to write all that thing, what is the suction delivery, all that thing. So this is quite time consuming. And there was another theory regarding regenerative Rankine cycle. We have to draw the circuit diagram, layout diagram, then TS diagram. Then we have to write down the what we have drawn, write down the theory, and we have to derive the equation of efficiency for regenerative Rankine cycle. Next question was the properties of molding sand. What are the desirable properties of molding sand? And we have to explain some points regarding that. Next question was operations performed on drilling machine like drilling, boring, counter boring, counter sinking, uh, that is tapping, rimming. Okay, so these we have to write down 2 to 3 lines and uh, with figure also. Our next question was lathe machine specification, like swing dia over the length, what is the maximum length, what is the maximum diameter, maximum speed, power, gear ratio, all that thing. And there was a one numerical of centrifugal pump, very easy questions. The numerical was very easy, that. And there was one numerical of compound bar from strength of material, that was also easy, but if you have practiced then it will be easy for you, otherwise it will be some time consuming. Next, there is a stress strain diagram for mild steel, that is a very common question. And uh, one last question that I remembered, that is types of plain carbon steel from material science. So these are the questions that I remembered, and there were, as I already said, there were total 24 questions were there. Some of from engineering mechanics also, from lift, like a lift is moving upward and downward with acceleration, we have to find out the tension force, like that. So I remembered this much question only, and I can say that, and you have also seen here that how much we have to write in 2 hours. So, and if you compare with the previous year paper, then you will find that this paper was today's paper was quite calculative as well as theoretical as well as, so it become lengthy. So this is all about today's memory based question. I hope you understand what type of questions were asked. Okay, and some of might you say why we are not just applying RTI and we will get us the paper, but I tried it, and what the reply I got, that is the 2019 I have applied for the 2019, that sir please give me 2019 mains question paper for practice purpose. So their answer was that the copy, that examination copy is still under evaluation, because they have said they will give the result on 13th November, 30th November. So after that they can give. So you can understand that 2019 examination copy they will give on 30 November. So today's exam, when, so where when they will give. So that's why keep these questions with you for practice of 2021. Thank you for watching this video, and if you like this video, just share with your friends, those who can relate this, and subscribe this channel for upcoming more this kind of videos. And a few days back I have also uploaded a questions, that I have memory based question of bark examination. So just go and check it out. Thank you.